Today's video is on understanding repeating decimals. This is a topic a lot of people have never seen before, so it's going to seem really confusing at first until you can break down the pattern. Once you start to see the pattern and about how it's always similar to other problems, it starts to make a lot more sense. Let's say we had a decimal and it went on forever. We had 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, and it just kept doing this forever. There are three ways you might see it written. You might see it written like this, 0.357 with a bar over the 3, the 5, and the 7. That signifies that those are the three numbers that will be repeating over and over and over. You can also see it like this, 0.357, 357, ... That's not my favorite way, but you will see it in the book a few times and in different places, so it's important that you know what that means. The way you might see it is as a fraction, and that's what I'm going to spend a little time today breaking down. Let's imagine we were given the problem, write 0.3 repeating as a fraction. First thing we need to do is set a variable. Let's make n equals 0.3 repeating. Now, because only one digit's repeating, we're going to multiply that by 10. 10n, when we multiply it, is now going to come out to 3.33333333. From there, we can subtract n from each side. I can take away an n here, and we are still subtracting an n here. Even though I didn't write n, I know n is 0.3 repeating, so it's the same thing. I'm just using whatever is similar on each side of our equation here. I get 9n equals 3. We're almost there. If I divide each side by 9, I come out with n equals 3/9. If I reduce that, it comes out to n equals 1/3. Go ahead and try this one. Hit pause now. And here's what I got. I started by setting n equal to 0.45 repeating. Then, because there were two digits repeating, I multiplied it by 100. So now I've got 100 n's is still going to equal 45.454545 forever. I subtract the n from each side. I know that here I can just say n, and over here this is n. And by doing that, it's going to cancel out really nicely right there. And now I'm left with 99 n's equals 45. A little bit further, I divide each side, and I get 45/99. You can go ahead and reduce that as well. And then you get 9/19. That's understanding repeating decimals. Thanks for watching.